Recently, the world has been frequently hit by new epidemics and diseases. History also records some of the worst disease outbreaks that have ever been faced by mankind. Here are some of the outbreaks and pandemics that have occurred. 1. Black Death. The Black Death is one of the worst epidemics that have ever happened in the world. According to some scientists, this disease has wiped out half of Europe's population. This outbreak was caused by the extinct Yersinia pestis bacterium. This bacterium is spread by infected rats and fleas. 2. Asian flu. The Asian flu pandemic is another form of influenza spreading around the world that originated in China. The Asian flu killed 1 million people and was caused by a virus, which is a mixture of avian influenza viruses. 3. Ebola in West Africa. The Ebola virus has infected the West African region with 28,000 cases and 11,325 deaths. The first case of Ebola epidemic was reported from Guinea in December 2013 and spread to Sierra Leone and Liberia. And 4. COVID-19. COVID-19 is defined as a pandemic that has hit almost all countries in the world. The COVID-19 disease is caused by the coronavirus, which has claimed nearly 70 million lives worldwide. So, which one do you think is the scariest pandemic and epidemic that has ever happened? Comment below, learners!